What is up, boys and girls? Empire Steve back with you yet again. Today is Tuesday, December 27th. There are only 3 more days left in the year, as far as trading goes, that is. So we are in for a quite the sights for the next couple of days to see what actually goes on in the market. Are we going to sell off? Are we going to run? Like what is going to happen? We shall see. I did make a video yesterday. I'm sure some of you had seen that video. Apex Trader Funding is doing a 90% sale right now, and it is only good until the 3rd, so next Tuesday, until 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's New York time. That's the time zone I live in. So jump on that. That is dirt cheap. The $150,000 evaluation only costs like $30-something right now. That is insane. That is super good. So if you think you have what it takes to be a funded trader, and you trade futures, you have access to NinjaTrader. If you don't have access and you have a Windows PC, they'll tell you how to set all that up. Once you request or sign up for one of those accounts. So my link is down below. You can't miss it. It's in the description of this video. I also have a link to my personal Discord where I will, after this week, I will be live trading in my Discord. Right now, currently, I am doing it on Twitch. If you want to see my stream recap or watch my stream from today's trades that I took 4 trades. That is a link to my Twitch is down below as well. So go check that out. As you can see, today I had a couple trades this morning. I was up. I was trading in this chop here, and I ended up just taking small trades, and I made I was up 350 at one point, maybe 380, and then I took another trade, and the market went the opposite. I went long, and the market kept going down. So I was down at one point like $80 on the day. But then I saw this, this looked a little bit intriguing. So I was like, normally, and I made this video this past Saturday about when you have aggressive moves in one direction, how you will have an aggressive move in the opposite direction to go fill all of the gaps that you created with that initial move. So if we go to the 5-minute chart, look at this aggressive selling. This started in this morning. This is 8:30, and so you have these gaps. You have a gap there, you have a gap here, and you have a gap here. But this is the more aggressive move that I was talking about. And in my stream this morning, I said, and I kept saying in the stream that, the live stream that is, that this aggressive move eventually is going to get filled, and this move up here could get filled as well. That may not come today, or maybe it will be after lunch. We'll see. I will not be trading it. I will not be trading it. It's not a part of my plan. So we have that. I already made my 4 trades for the day. This is on my funded account for TickTick. So that is that. But we held here, and I'm going to go back down to the 1-minute chart because this is what I was using for the most part. But you see, we had this aggressive move, and then we had a pretty aggressive move back to this area of resistance. And once we got past that resistance, you can see that price started reversing, market structure shift from bearish to bullish, and we completely filled this gap here that was from when the market when the New York intraday actually started. So that's that 9:30 start that I'm talking about, referring to. And we filled it to a T. Like, that is pretty cool. So like I said in that in my live stream, and I want to say I said it a few times, a lot of people that were watching me were thinking that we were going to keep going down, and I reminded them that we had this aggressive move to the downside and that it eventually was going to reverse. And I said it probably wouldn't happen until 10:30, but it did start coming around 10:05. So I was wrong in that aspect of it, but we can't be right all the time, not to a T. So I ended up making 1,037.50 on the day. This was one contract. Remember, I said I was down 83, and then I took a play in this area, in this fair value gap that we had formed, just one contract, and I held it. And I held it for, I was up over like 20 something points, I want to say, on one contract, which was $1,000, a little bit more than that. But of course we have fees and whatnot. So, but I had essentially a great day. $1,000 today. Who wouldn't want to make that much money in one day, right? You're not going to get those days every day, but you will get them sometimes. If I had 3 contracts, which is what I typically use, but Friday I had a bad trading day. I had a lot going on in my mind as well. So I probably just should not have traded on Friday, but it is what it is. So I did not trade with my normal size. I would be up $3,000, but you can't win them all, and you can't, my confidence was down a little bit, but catching this move here, my confidence is back to where it was. But I don't personally want to get overconfident, because we know what happens when you get overconfident. You start losing, and that's just that's just how it works. So I just want to again recap that if you think you got what it takes for Apex and you want to be a funded trader, or want to try to be a funded trader, my link is down below. If you already have a stepping stone and you're familiar with the market, and you want somebody to help you with your, to make your trades better, and my videos aren't doing it for you, my Discord link is down below. Again, reminder, I am not live streaming in the Discord yet. Once I get a few more people, then I will start solely live streaming in there. But obviously I'll make my recap videos for YouTube and see what happens. But that is it for me today. I hope you all had a great day, and I hope to see you again soon. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below, and I will do my best to answer those. But other than that, we will see you all tomorrow, hopefully. Take care, and we will see you soon. Bye.